Welcome to Asynt. My name's Martin Fordham, and today I'd like to tell you about our DrySyn Classic Kit and do an unboxing video for you. DrySyn Classic is a single position heating block for round bottom flasks from 50 millilitres up to 1 litre, and you can buy it as a kit with all the accessories you need to cover the full range of flask sizes, or you can choose the individual components to suit your needs. DrySyn Classic fits on any hot plate stirrer you may already have without any issues. So let's go ahead and get this unpacked. Right, let's see what's included. Packing checklist, quality checklist and instructions. The main part of the DrySyn Classic, the base, which takes a 1 litre flask standard. Adjustable feet, removable feet to fit any hot plate stirrer you already have. Temperature probe holes and thermometer holes. Very important with all DrySyns, including the Classic of course, is safety lifting handles that come as standard. These simply screw onto the unit. And then we have 4 inserts. This is the 500 milliliter version, and it simply fits into the 1 litre base. So we have what's included in the DrySyn Classic Kit: instructions, packing list, the 1 litre base, safety lifting handles, and inserts to go from 50 millilitres, 100 milliliter, 250 milliliter, 500 milliliter round bottom flasks. Everything you need. So there you have it. A DrySyn Classic fits any hot plate stirrer you already have. A 1 litre base. Inserts to take other flasks like 500 milliliter here. They come as a kit, as you can see, where you can get everything you need from 50 ml up to the 1 litre round bottom flasks. And if you don't need all those sizes, let's say you just want the 1 litre or 1 litre and the 500 milliliter size, then we sell those as other kits and as separate packages. Just drop us an email and we'll let you know all the options available. But basically any combination is available to order directly from us. Thank you very much for watching today's video from Asynt. Hope you've enjoyed it, found it useful. Any questions, like I said earlier, please drop us an email to inquiries@asynt.com and we'll get back to you very quickly. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.